Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download and install Attack Shock software. So it's very easy and simple. You just need to open up your browser. I'm using Google Chrome for this one, and once you open it, just simply type in Attack Shark. Once you do that, it will take you to its website link. Just simply press on its website link, and right over here just scroll down until you find the option of your devices. So right over here you'll see many categories of keyboards, mouse, and like different types of categories. So let it load up for a bit, but you gotta go for mouse right over here. Just simply press on mouse, and yeah, it might take a while to load up, but what you have to do is just press on the mouse section right over here. And once you do that, right over here, as you can see, you are able to see different mouses and keyboards, but you just gotta find your mouse that you have bought, and you specifically need to download its website. So yeah, you gotta go ahead and find the mouse. So right over here you can just find the mouse that you want. So yeah, after that you just need to go to driver download, and right over here you just need to go to mouse again, and right over here you'll see the mouse's options, and obviously the mouse you bought, you can just check out whatever mouse you bought. So for example, you bought a Attack Shark V5, just simply press on that, and then you'll see three options: software, V5, and then manual. So we need the software. Just simply press on this one right over here, and it should automatically start downloading like this. So once it's downloaded, just open up the zip file, and once you open it up, just simply extract the zip file to your PC, and then open the zip file, and then the program will run, and that's how you can install. Just simply extract it on your PC like this. And because I don't have a Attack Shark mouse, so I cannot do that, but it's pretty straightforward after that. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon next one.